Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Royal Pan here, and welcome to another model rating video. So as you can see, according to last week, I recently got some Accurail kits. So I got 3 rolling stock, and they were all basically, what you had to do is assemble them all together. So basically, I have all 3 of them all assembled. So here it is. Here's one of the cars I have. So this is the Montana Railing box car. It's really nice. They also came with like these little plastic wheels, so sort because all of them had them, and then they got the Accurail couplers. Pretty cool. So I really don't have a problem with Accurail couplers; they're okay. But I'm thinking about like possibly sometimes swapping couplers and putting KDs on these, and then also the wheels will be upgraded to like maybe I'll get some Intermountain or KD wheels. So here's what it looks like. It's very nice. So basically what I had to do with this one is just basically glue the doors on and then put the detail parts in the bottom, and then you're good to go. And all that. See, it's got all the everything. It's really nice. All that. So next up is the Norfolk and Western covered hopper. So it's nicely done too. It's got, same as always, plastic wheels, Accurail couplers, and all that. And this one, these ones the hoppers are usually have a lot to assemble because they got lots of parts you got to, put like glue or use cement on them and all that. So there it is. It's really good. The paint job on it is really nice and crisp. It matches like the one you see in real life. So you can see, absolutely amazing. So you can see some of the detail. Absolutely amazing. So, yep. Now moving on is the next one is the R&P hopper. So the R&P hopper was also, the same as always. Has always plastic wheels, Accurail couplers, and all that. Very nice. So there they are. So there they are. So those are the 3 Accurail rolling stock that I recently got off of eBay. So I'm really glad with how these turned out. So I will definitely look forward to running these on the layout, like such as like I'll probably get the Emerald boxcar on BNSF trains, since now that BNSF bought out the Montana Railing on New Year's Day 2024, which is almost a year ago. So we'll look forward to that. And I've been seeing a bunch of Montana Railing rolling stock on BNSF trains, so I thought this would be perfect. The NNW hopper will definitely be ran on NS trains. Like, I'll definitely think about adding this as part of the grain train as well. So it's pretty cool because I'm really looking forward to getting these, because I remember that I saw quite a number of Norfolk and Western rolling stock, especially hoppers, back in my trip when I was up in Roanoke, Virginia. So, because especially the time when I saw Norfolk Southern train, which is NS train 134, which had the 8105, the Interstate Heritage Unit leading, and there was a ton of Norfolk and Western freight cars on there, like mostly the 2-bay hoppers, tons of them. So, but even though this is a 3-bay, and this is the ones that are used to haul grain, but I thought this would be cool to get. And obviously the R&P, I'm thinking of also doing a CSX grainer. So I thought about getting one of these R&P hoppers. Like, I might see if I can find another one of these on eBay or so. Who knows? So if I can find any, or if any other manufacturers to do a run of these, like, I wouldn't mind if like manufacturers like maybe Atlas, Athearn, or Walters do these. Because these would be really cool additions to add for anyone who's like, who models the R&P or just wants to collect these for part of the CSX grainers. Because I believe these hoppers, you may still see a few of these still around if you're very lucky. Because I know some of these are still painted in the R&P but have the CSX patches on them. But if you do see these, you're very lucky then, because I thought these would be cool to get. So, and it'll be perfect to match with my, if I ever do a CSX grainer. Because that's what I still have on the list, because I'll do a CSX grainer because I've seen a couple of CSX interchange grains go through Kansas City, and the same thing for Norfolk Southern. So, anyways, that's gonna do for this video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, and I'll leave you guys a little bit of a short run by of these three in action. So, let's see how they run. And so, look forward to seeing these three appear in future rolling operating sessions, like coming in the summer season. So, anyways, that's all for now. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, have a good day, everybody.